So this can be made on a barbecue or a braai, preferably on a flame, not your stove or the gas grill. The ingredients you will need are 1 kg leg quarters, so you can slit them as well. Then you need 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil, a pinch of saffron in 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon red food color, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, a quarter teaspoon egg yellow, a quarter teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon crushed chilies, half a cup of yogurt, and the juice of 2 lemons squeezed. This is such a simple and quick recipe that you can make it in about 10 minutes. So we are going to start by adding in our lemon juice and yogurt, and then the rest of the ingredients. You will notice that we used egg yellow, red food color, as well as saffron to get the color for this chicken tikka. Chicken tikka is part of the Indian cuisine, and there is much speculation about where it originated from. Most people saying that it originated from the state of Punjab. Nowadays, we have many variations of this dish, some of which are chicken tikka masala, which is a kind of curry, and the other being the chicken tikka biryani, which is something that I've tasted recently and is quite yummy. The slits that you make on the leg quarters is actually quite significant in adding more flavor to the chicken, so I would suggest not leaving this out. As mentioned earlier, this particular recipe must be made on an open flame, otherwise it just doesn't taste that nice. I will now marinate the chicken pieces and leave them overnight to marinate. This also gives it a nice color. So I've actually forgotten to add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, which I've added now, and I'm just marinating it again. So this is my open flame barbecue ready for the chicken tikka to go on. The entire process takes about 45 minutes. To make sure the chicken is properly cooked. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy making your tandoori chicken tikka. Do give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.